want some pink? Ula, drop some pink confetti. Yes, pink confetti. Are you doing it, Ula? Let me see. This is not the way to do. You're supposed like this. Yes. No, it's not. It's not working out. No. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are in the know, I am a wife, I'm a mother, and I am also a makeup addict. And that is why you are what? That is why you are here. Welcome, my sweets. How are you doing? I'm in high spirits. I don't know why, but I am. I'm alive. I'm kicking. I've got a beautiful, healthy son. I've got a wonderful, gorgeous husband. So I'm very, very grateful. Okie dokie. So what is this episode? This episode is all about, my darlings, JUVIA'S Place, the Sweet Pinks palette. You know, they came out with 3 other minis, and I've already done, I think, the taupes. I've done the taupes already. So I'm doing the Sweet Pinks. I want to space it out for you guys. And, oh, just look at the look. Just look at the look and then you tell me. It's got 6 gorgeous shades of Pinkaloops. I'm going to put the swatches up for you on the side because I did swatches on my Instagram. I could not wait. I'm always like that when I get something new, anything new, whatever it is, I've got to open it up. I've got to try it out. So here we have the gorgeous Sweet Pinks palette. Let me just close it a little bit so you can see the deeper shades. This color right here in the middle was the dominant color for this look. I have a Versace suit. Is it Versace? Yes, it's Versace. Balenciaga. Low. Prada, Gucci. No, it's Versace. It's a shocking Versace pink suit and it is flawless. It is the exact shade of this. I'll film it. I'll film the suit so you guys can see it in my wardrobe. Anywho, that was the dominant color for this look. When I tell you, I live for it. I don't know what to tell you. The price point for JUVIA'S Place is beyond and amazing. This is fact. It is just that palette that you can grab and it will not grab your wallet back. The pigmentation on a deep, dark-skinned chick like myself, I mean, look no further. The pinks are beautiful because you don't want to look like a clown. You don't want to look ashy. You don't want to look like you're going 6 foot under. In 2020, the possibility is high. JUVIA'S Place is coming right through. It's mini. It's compact. You just put it in your bag and you go. You have my discount code, which is what? FUMI. I am not even gonna try and put this to the end. I'm just giving you a little gift up front. These are Tati lashes, badass. Love Tati lashes, that's what I have. And then also, you know what I did? I used my NYX pencil, which I depotted. I put it in my waterline and then I went in with the Sweet Pinks palette. And then I just put that on top of that, just to give it that kind of pulled together family-esque look. Beauty Bakerie, you guys already know. Oh. Cranberry stiletto is life. It is so rich, it is so decadent, and you know what it is. As I'm wearing this animal print, I know what all of this is about, and I know why I chose the Sweet Pinks. We're going into fall. It's September. That is why I grabbed this. There's another beautiful influencer that I love and adore. She collaborated with OFRA. I have a discount code with OFRA. Yes, I do, my darlings. FUMI. She collaborated with them. Voila. Samantha March. She is amazing. And she has a beautiful collection. And guess what? I use this particular lip gloss. There you go. This lip gloss right here. And it is called Millie on top of the cranberry stiletto, and as you can see, it gave it all kinds of life. I think Millie is her grandmother because she talked about the story right here, and I want you guys to totally support her. She is absolutely amazing. She's my sister from another mister. I love her. She supports me, I support her, but aside from that, she's an all-round kind of girlfriend that you want to have. Love her totally. And then I went for my OG. What can I say? I use Ula right here and I use 7. I use Ula all the way just to bring it together, and I use 7 just on the tops of my cheeks. Fenty Beauty setting spray is life. Oh, it smells like heaven. I can't get enough of it. I absolutely live for this. So those were the products that I use for this look. Sit back, my darlings. We're still in lockdown-esque. We're still in quarantine-esque. Just sit back, take it all in. Be grateful that we're alive to see another day. And I will see you after the tutorial, my sweets. Guys, I've said it before. I just finished doing a summer safari lookbook. Very fabulous. I had a butterfly theme and these were my colors. So you know deep down in my fashion heart that this is my true palette. I don't know what to tell you other than JUVIA'S place makes it so much fun to wear makeup, to get dressed, to go out, to feel fabulous on all complexions. But might I add, on deeper complexion. Hurrah, hurrah, we're here at last. We have a brand that loves us. Just look. Every shade popping. Damn near want to do 2 tutorials with this look. Beautiful.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Vicious presenting. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Let's go. Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. Forget what? When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. You light up the night like a shooting star over the moon. I think I'm in love with your angel eyes glowing from afar. Girl, I got seduced right from the start. So dance with me. I must admit that I don't have a plan, just to be your man. Ain't gonna lie, you will get the best of me, get the very best of me. Doesn't matter what they say, I won't let it go away. Thinking about you night and day, can't get you out of my head. Little part of me yearning for you desperately. Girl, I see you in my dream, can't get you out of my head. Us against the world, baby, you and I, we've got a thing. get you out. I can't get you out. Get you out of my. Right in the middle of the night again. Was it a dream? I'm trying to figure out what's happening. The memories are haunting me. I dream about your smile, your body lying next to mine. Goodbye, my love. All you told me back one last time. Goodbye, my love. Wishing you were mine. Then she walked away. The one who got away. Try to make her stay. She's the one who got away. I cannot forget her. Thinking when we could have been.
Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? Do we love? I love a lot. I love this look. It gives me life. I don't know what to tell you but to say I like this look. It's tricky, tricky to use like a pink and reddish and get away with it. This worked because I put Samantha's grandmother's lip gloss, Millie. That just worked for me. I don't know what to tell you. Live for JUVIA'S, please. I love JUVIA'S. I love Beauty Bakerie. I'm living in an age where, because you guys know I'm 51. When I was 21, I'm talking about 30 years ago, we had Fashion Fair, Flora Roberts, Naomi Sims. And to be fair, we all looked orange. Now we got Beauty Bakerie. Now we have Colored RAINE. Now we have JUVIA'S, please. Now we have all of these fantastic brands that cater to women of color. And we're looking gorgeous. We are just looking gorgeous. Life is for the living. Enjoy it. Enjoy this palette. Use my discount code for the sweet pinks for everything on JUVIA'S. Everything on the JUVIA'S website, use it. Beauty Bakerie, you guys already know that I have a discount code for them. And then the new family of discount codes is from OFRA. And I am living for their stuff. I use a lot of skincare. So you guys have to follow me on my Insta stories because I always do my nighttime routine. And I have a revitalizing clay mask from OFRA. This is what gives me this fabulosity. You really want to know? I have 2 pimples up here. Can you see? I put the clay mask, brushed my teeth, had my bath, came down. I'm living. So my sweets, have fun, stay blessed. Thank you for watching and I will be back. I am your home girl. I'm your girl. I'll set you straight. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments, queries or concerns in the comment section and I will get back to you. Okay? All of my love. Okay? Ula, say goodbye. He's in his office. His office is next door, yes. So I annoy him all the time. So, you know, he's my sweets and he helped me film today. Isn't it love? Aren't we loving? Aren't we loving? Aren't we feeling this look? Ooh, for the shoot. Let me go. Love you. Bye.